Today we are in North Taunton in Blackdown Road to be exact. Behind me we have a Lang Form 3-bedroom terrace property. It's really good size inside. The rear you've got a southwest facing garden, low maintenance, potential for a driveway here in the front garden as well if you get the drop curb sorted. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, thank you very much for allowing me to show you around this property today. If you would like to book a viewing or would like me to come and value your home, please get in touch and I hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much.